First recommendation that I have is to go long in Zee Limited at the current price of around 225 to 26, keeping a stop loss at about 220 and looking for a target at 235. Stock is into a nice firm uptrend and it has pulled back. It's forming a series of higher tops and bottoms, and the most recent low from where the uptrend got launched was about 220 to 222. So with a stop loss placed below that, I would like to go long at the current level for a continued uptrend. The second one I have is a short in Raymond. We are seeing a slight unusual pattern of a slight rounding kind of situation, which smacks of some amount of localized distribution, which has actually gone on the charts. So at the current price of about 445, I would suggest that this should be sold into with a stop loss at about 452.53 and looking for a target around 430, where the next support in the form of a support trend line exists. The third stock I have for recommendation is to go long in Pantaloon retail, where a very firm uptrend is clearly in progress, and periodic pullbacks and uptrend should be used to buy. Such a pullback would occur if the prices were to drop down to the range of 257 to 260. So any drop into this region should be used to buy, and we can keep a 5 rupee stop loss from our entry point, and the immediate target that I'm looking at would be somewhere in the region of 275 to 280. What we are seeing is sort of bit of maybe profit booking. We saw a bit of evidence of that in terms of some position shedding in the Nifty, etc. as of yesterday. So what we are seeing is a pullback within an overall uptrend. The trend is firmly established on the upside and unless we really drop down below 59.50, we don't really have any reasons to worry at the moment. So 6,000 levels, soon as we see some sort of a revival in the trend signals, we should be going long again. In terms of the trades for the day, I would be looking to go short in Titan, which clearly shows a break. There seems to be some sort of reason afoot, and in a declining market, people will look for stocks with a reason to sell. So Titan probably affords them some such a candidate. 278 is where I would sell, stop loss at about 283 to 285 and looking for a target at 265. The second stock for recommendation is to go long in Whirlpool India, which seems to be staging an upside breakout from a long-term range. It is the season for results, so maybe this share is moving ahead of it. At the current price of about 279.80, I would suggest a buy, keeping a stop at about 272 to 274, looking for a target at 290.